Ngicela isihlalo. Umbuzo wami kuminister uthi kulama ward angelama ward coordinators. Azafakwa nini ama ward coordinators lawo ukuthi ancedise omama? Okwesibili ukuthi lapho kulama ward coordinators khona ama wards akhona amakhulu kakhulu abenelisi ukusebenza ngendaba zokuswela kokuhambisa. Ngiyabonga.
Honorable Minister. Ndinechikumbiro chokuti when Honorable Speaker started speaking, my translation was not working. So I kindly ask for staff also to help me so that I can understand the question better and I can respond adequately. Honorable Member, please may you repeat your question?
Ngiyabonga Mcinislalo. Umbuzo wami uthi ema reserve ngale kula ndawo ezingela kulama ward angelama ward coordinators. Ama ward coordinators lawo azafakwa nini? Owesibili uthi lapho kulama ward coordinators khona ama ward akhona makhulu kakhulu.
Sorry, Honorable Member, the translation is not audible.
Madam Speaker, I can translate.
Thank you very much, Honorable.
Why is Shona not being translated in this house? Only Ndebele is being translated. You are Shona here. Nyarara we. Awu nyarara lapha akilichasiseni. Nyarara.
Imphendule.
Uma yenza njalo. Uphendule.
Honorable Minister, are you ready to respond?
Mazita, Madam Speaker, ndinoda kutenda zvikuru. Oh, okay.
Minister, pindirai nekutaura wamunoda.
Madam Speaker, ndinotenda kuti
Zishona, asizishona, asizwa. Translate for us. Tit for tat. Isn't Ndebele siya translate ishona, cause translate. Ningabosidelela. Wewe umborani wewe? Umborani wewe?
Unozama lokele usana utijairira.
Na ngilindebele. So ukuthi
please
order. Why are we translating one language? Why are we translating one language? In 45 years after independence, why are we translating one language? It's unacceptable. You can't silence the Ndebele.
On a point of order, Madam Speaker. Shut up. On a point of order, Madam Speaker.
Mlokeli garapas dokuinga ego.
On a point of order, Madam Speaker. Madam Speaker, on a
are
point
you
of
the
order.
acting chief whip?
Yes, I am.
Please, may you come in?
Mlokeli garapas dokuinga ego.
Kudzingwa muno iwewe.